Hello grade 8s and welcome to the third part of algebraic expressions, end of chapter exercises. Please take this down. Number 1 states, simplify the following algebraic expressions. 1.1, 10a to the power of 5 divided by 25a squared. So 10 and 25 are not prime numbers. Alright, so it's going to be, you write 10 as a product of its prime numbers. 10 is 2 times 5 over 25 is 5 squared, which is 5 times 5. And then same basis, when you divide, you subtract the exponents. So it's going to be a to the power of 5 minus 2. This 5 cancels this 5. You have 2 over 5. A, 5 minus 2 is 3. So the final answer that you should be getting is 2 over 5 a cubed. 1.2, 21, b to the power of 7, c to the power of 5, divide by 9, b to the power of 4, c to the power of 2. So this is going to be, how do we write 21 as a product of its prime factors? It's going to be 3 times 7, 9 as a product of its prime factors is 3 squared, which is 3 times 3. And then same basis, you subtract the exponents, forgive me. So it's going to be b to the power of 7 minus 4, c to the power of 5 minus 2. So the 3's cancel each other out. We have 7 over 3 b, 7 minus 4 is 3, c, 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Final answer is 7 over 3 b cubed c cubed. 1.3, open bracket, 4d to the power of 3, close bracket, all squared, divide by 6d to the power of 5. Okay, so give everything an exponent. The exponent of 4 is 1, so 4 to the power of 1, d to the power of 3, all to the power of 2, 6 d to the power of 5. Then, if the exponent is outside, you're going to multiply all the exponents inside by the exponent on the outside. So it's going to be in the numerator 4 to the power of 1 times 2, then d to the power of 3 times 2, all over 6 d to the power of 5. 4. 1 times 2 is 2, d, 3 times 2 is 6, over 6 d to the power of 5. 4 to the power of 2 is 4 times 4, which is 16, d to the power of 6, over 6 d to the power of 5. How do we write 16? 2 to the power of 4, which is just 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, over 6 is 2 times 3. D, exponent at the top minus exponent at the bottom, 6 minus 5. 2's cancel each other out. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, over 3. D, 6 minus 5 is 1. But remember, when the exponent is 1, we don't write it down. So the final answer is 8 over 3 d. Okay, I hope that was clear enough, and I hope that made sense. 1.4, 6e to the power of 5 divided by 2e to the power of 3 plus 12e to the power of 4 divided by 3e to the power of 2. So this is going to be 6 divided by 2, 3, e, exponent at the top minus exponent at the bottom, 5 minus 3 plus, then we have 12 divided by 3, when it comes to the numbers, 4. Then e to the power of 4, exponent at the top, which is 4, minus exponent at the bottom, which is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2 plus 4 e. 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 plus 4 is 7. So the final answer is 7e squared. These are like terms. They contain the same variable e, which has the same exponent 2. So the 7 answer is 7e to the power of 2. 1.5, 14f to the power of 6 over 4f to the power of 3 minus 15f to the power of 7 over 3f to the power of 4 plus 24f over 6. So this is going to be 12 divided by 4, 3, f, exponent at the top is 6, minus exponent at the bottom is 3. Then minus 15 over 3, 5. F, exponent at the top, 7, minus exponent at the bottom, 4. Plus, what's 24 over 6 is 4. F, there's nothing at the bottom, so it's just, we keep this F here. Now it's time to simplify. Six minus 3 is 3, minus 5, F. 7 minus 4 is 3, plus 4f. You check if they are like terms. All of them have the same variable, which is f, but only two have the same exponent. This one and this one. So you're going to subtract the coefficients. 3 minus 5 is negative 2f to the power of 3 plus 4f. That is the final answer, and I hope it makes sense. 1.6, we have 3h minus 9 over 15. The common factor in the numerator is 3. We'll still have to separate it in the end. 3h divided by 3 is h, minus 9 divided by 3 is 3, over, how do we write 15 as a product of prime numbers? You'll use the long method, but it's 3 times 5. This 3 cancels this 3. So we have h minus 3 over 5. Writing it separately, if the coefficient is not there, so it's going to be h over 5 minus 3 over 5. You can leave it like this, or you can write 1 over 5h minus 3 over 5. Okay, even if you left it like this, there would have been no problem, right? But I hope that made sense, and I hope you understand. 1.7, in the numerator you have 20h to the power of 3 plus 30h to the power of 2 minus 40 over, in the denominator you have 4h. So now let's just give the denominator to each part of the numerator. So it is going to be 20h to the power of 3 over 4h. If the exponent is not written, it's 1. So 4h to the power of 1 plus 30h to the power of 2 over 4h to the power of 1 minus 40 over 4h. I hope that makes sense. So 20 divided by 4 is 5, right? So h to the power of 3 minus 1 30 over 4 gives us a decimal. Okay, but in the end you're going to get 15 over 2 h to the power of 2 minus 1 minus 40 divided by 4, 10 over h. So this is going to be 5 h to the power of 3 minus 1 is 2 plus 15 over 2 h, 2 minus 1 is 1 minus 10 over h. Remember, if the exponent is 1, we don't write it, so final answer has to be 5h squared plus 15 over 2h minus 10 over h. I hope that makes sense, and I hope that is clear. So 1.8, 2k squared plus 4k squared over 3. Now let's check in the numerator. They are both like terms because they have the variable k and it's raised to exponent 2. So you deal with the coefficients. 2 plus 4. So it's going to be 6k squared over 3. Then you deal with the numbers. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So the final answer is going to be 2k to the power of 2, or 2k squared. I hope that makes sense. 1.9, 3m to the power of 3 minus 7m to the power of 3 over 2. So we have the same variable m raised to the same exponent 3. So we deal with the coefficients. 3 minus 7. 3 minus 7, it's negative 4m to the power of 3 over 2. Negative divided by positive, negative. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then m to the power of 3. I hope that makes sense, and I hope that's clear. 1.10, we have in the numerator negative 4n to the power of 4 plus 24n to the power of 4 all over 4n. So in the numerator, we have the same variable n raised to the same exponent 4. So we deal with the coefficients. Negative 4 plus 24. The answer that you're supposed to get is 20n to the power of 4 over, let's give everything an exponent, 4n to the power of 1. Okay, I hope that's clear. So 20 divided by 4, 5n, 4 minus 1. So the final answer is 5n. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 5n to the power of 3, or 5n cubed. 1.11, negative 5r to the power of 5 minus 30r to the power of 5 all over negative 7r to the power of 2. So in the numerator you have the same variable, which is r, raised to the same exponent, which is to the power of 5. So we deal with the coefficients. Negative 5 minus 30, it's negative 35, r to the power of 5 over negative 7r to the power of 2. So it is going to be negative divided by negative, positive. 35 divided by 7 is 5. Then r, top exponent 5 minus bottom exponent 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So the final answer is 5r to the power of 3. I hope that makes sense and I hope that's clear. 1.12, 33s to the power of 5 minus 18s to the power of 3 plus 15s minus 12 all over negative 3. So in the numerator there are no like terms. Okay. So we just give every term in the numerator the divisor of negative 3. So the denominator of every term in the top is negative 3. 33s to the power of 5 over negative 3 minus 18s to the power of 3 over negative 3 plus 15s over negative 3 minus 12 over negative 3. Positive divided by negative, negative. 33 divided by 3, 11. So it's negative 11s to the power of 5. Negative divided by negative, positive 18 divided by 3 is 6. So positive 6s to the power of 3. Positive divided by negative is negative. It's 15s, my mistake. 15 divided by 3, 5. So negative 5s. Negative divided by negative, positive. 12 divided by 3, 4. So that's the final answer, and I hope it makes sense. So 1.13, 3t to the power of 5 times 8t to the power of 4 all over 12t to the power of 6. 3 times 8 is 24t. So we're multiplying, so we add the exponents. It's going to be 5 plus 4 over 12t to the power of 6. 24t. 5 plus 4 is 9 over 12t to the power of 6. 12 divided by, no, 24 divided by 12 is 2t. Now we subtract the exponent. So top exponent minus bottom exponent, 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. So 2t to the power of 3. 1.14, 4w to the power of 3 times 4w to the power of 3 over 4w to the power of 3 plus 4w to the power of 3. 4 times 4, 16w. Since we are multiplying, we add the exponents. 3 plus 3 over, this is the same term, right? So raise same variable w raised to the same exponent 3. 4 plus 4 is 8w to the power of 3. 16w to the power of 3 plus 3 is 6 over 8w to the power of 3. 16 divided by 8, 2w. Since we are dividing, top exponent 6 minus bottom exponent 3. 2w. 6 minus 3 is 3. So the final answer is 2w to the power of 3. 1.15, 15x to the power of 7 plus 9x to the power of 5 minus 6x to the power of 3 plus 3x to the power of 2 all over negative 3x to the power of 2. No like terms at the top. we can either give everything, what is this? The denominator negative 3x to the power of 2, or we can find the common factor in the numerator. The common factor of a number is 3. Those are all multiples of 3. The common factor, they have the same variable x but different exponent, but the lowest exponent is 2. So in the numerator we can say 3x to the power of 2. 15 divided by 3, 5. X, 7 minus 2, 5, plus 9 divided by 3 is 3. X, 5 minus 2 is 3, minus 6 divided by 3 is 2. X, 3 minus 2 is 1, plus 3 divided by 3 is 1. X squared divided by x squared is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. All over negative 3x squared. 3 cancels 3. X squared cancels x squared. In the denominator we're left with negative 1. So it's going to be 5x squared over negative 1 plus 5x to the power of 5 over negative 1 plus 3x to the power of 3 over negative 1 minus 2x, 1 we don't write it, over negative 1 plus 1 over negative 1. So the final answer, positive divided by negative, is negative 5x to the power of 5. Positive divided by negative is negative 3x to the power of 3. Negative divided by negative is positive 2x. Positive divided by negative, negative 1. So that's the final answer. I hope it's clear and I hope it makes sense. 1.16, which is the last one for now. 7y to the power of 2 plus 15y to the power of 5 plus 13y to the power of 5 over 8y to the power of 3. So this is going to be 7y to the power of 2 plus, in the numerator, same variable y raised to the same exponent 5. So we add the coefficients. 11 plus 13 is 24. Y to the power of 5 over 8y cubed. So this is going to be 7y squared. 24 divided by 8, it's 3. Y to the power of 5 minus 3. So this is 7y to the power of 2 plus 3y. 5 minus 3 is 2. Are they like terms? Yes, they are. They have the same variable y raised to the same exponent 2. So we're going to add the exponent, the coefficients. 7 plus 3 is 10. Y to the power of 2. I hope that makes sense and I hope that was not too confusing. Please forgive me if I sort of rushed through it, but you should be familiar with some of the rules of exponents. This is what you can expect in part 4. If you found this video helpful in any way, please click the like button and subscribe for more content. Thank you very much and I hope to see you again.